Billions of Americans are in the grips of a huge winter storm that could bring the heaviest snowfall and coldest temperatures in over a decade. Thousands of flights are delayed or cancelled, with St. Louis, Missouri, the worst hit airport. A polar vortex, in fact, has brought frigid weather down from the Arctic, with extreme weather conditions accompanying it in Kansas. Kansas and Missouri are under blizzard warnings, with whiteout conditions forecast. A state of emergency has been declared in the state of Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia, Kansas, Arkansas, and Missouri.